Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Lumise Editor for WooCommerce, creating your product in Lumise from upload to customization. In this video, we will explore how to upload product images and set up a customizable product with Lumise for your WooCommerce store. To upload the product images and base material, go to the product base and go to All Product Base. Here, you can see the list of already created product bases. If you want to edit a product base, click on it. If you want to create a new product base, click on Add New Product Base. Now, we are on the settings of the product base. Here, first we will write the name of the product base, CMS of product base. This product will not be listed if this field's value is 0. It will be set automatically when you select this product base for a WooCommerce product. Here, you can write a description for the product base. If you want to activate the description to show on the editor page, you can check this option. Here, you can add a category for the product base by clicking Create New Category. If you want to add the printing techniques with calculations for this product, drag the Arrange items for the first one. If you want to make this active, check this option. You can also do the ordering of items. Write the order here. Now we will move on to the design. Here you can add the front and back designs. To add the front design, scroll down and click on Select Product Image. If you want to upload your own product image, click on this option. If you want to use a Lumise sample, click on this option and you can select a sample according to your preference. First, you can select the front sample. When you scroll down here, you can see the Edit Zone Radius. You can also set the Edit Zone Radius from here. If you want to use it as a mask layer, check this option. You can also set the size for printing by clicking on this drop-down menu. Here, you can see multiple options and you can also select a custom option. You can set the values for it, and you can also set the size unit in centimeters, inches, and pixels. If you want to export include base, check this option. If you want crop marks and bleed, check this option. Now to add the back product, click on the plus sign. Here you can add the back product by clicking on Select Product Image. You can select the back product image. Here you can mark it as a mask layer also. You can edit the radius zone, set the size for printing, and unit size, export include base, and crop marks and bleed. Now, we will go to the variations. To add the variation, first we will need to add the attributes. So let's move on to the attributes first. So to add the attributes, click on Add New Attribute. You can add a new attribute by clicking on Add New Attribute. You can write the name of the attribute. You can select the attribute type according to your preference and write the default value. If you want to use this for variation, check this option. Here you can see that some attributes are already created. You can also edit it. You can also make it a required field. Use it for variation. Now after doing these changes, click Save Product. Now we will go to Variation. Here you can add a variation by clicking Add New Variation. You can select the variation title, which you added in the attributes for the use for variation. You can select the variation. You can set the price, minimum quantity, maximum quantity, and a description. If you want to configure printing techniques for it, you can check this option. If you want to do the custom design configuration, check this option. You can also add a new variation by clicking Add New Variation. You can select another variation and add the price, minimum quantity, maximum quantity, and a description, the same option as we discussed in the previous variation. After doing these changes, click Save Product. Now, from here, we can add a category for the base product. To add the category, click Add New Category. So, these are the settings for adding a new category. You can write the name of the category. You can select the parent category. If you want to upload a thumbnail for it, click Choose. It only supports SVG, PNG, JPG, and JPEG formats. You can also do the ordering, and if you want to enable it, check this option. After doing these changes, click Save Category. We are going to add the product. Simply go to Add New Product. If you have already created a product, also, click the Edit option. Here you can write the name of the product. When you scroll down here, you can see the product data. You can also go with a simple product or variable product. Here first, we have the general settings. You can write the price for the product with a sale price. If you go to the inventory, write the SKU. You can also do stock management. You can change the status of the stock from here, in stock, out of stock, on back order. If you want to limit the purchase to 1 item per order, check this option. Then we will go to shipping. Here, write the weight, dimension. If you have created a shipping class, use this option. Then we have linked products. You can write upsells and cross-sells for the product. Attributes. If you want to add an attribute, you can write the name and the value. After doing all of this, click Save Attributes. Then we have the Advanced tab. Here, you can write the purchase note, menu order. If you want to enable customer reviews, check this option. Then we have Lumise configuration. If you want to hide the Add to Cart button on the product detail page, check this option. If you want to allow customization so users can change or customize the design before checkout, check this option. Here, we can add the product base by clicking Select Product Base. Here, you can select the product base which you have created, or you can use templates from here. By clicking Select Product Base, you can add the product base. And this is the front, and this is the back. After doing this, click on Update. By doing this, you can create a product with a Lumise configuration. Now we are on the front end of the product which we have created. You can either go with Add to Cart, or if you want to customize with Lumise Editor, click Customize. After clicking Customize, we will go to Lumise Editor. Here we can see the settings for product color. These are the attributes which we added in the product base. This is the attribute title. You can go with small, medium, large, or extra large. These are the attributes which we added in the product base. You can choose your own options here. When we select the attributes from here, as you can see, the price has changed. This is a variation which we have added. You can also increase the quantity from here. When you click Price Calculation Formula, this displays a pop-up with information on the base price, attributes, design templates, printing, external, and total. The total formula is applied by the price multiplied by quantity, and we will get the actual price here. If you want to change the color for it, you can click on this option. By doing that, you can change the color of the product. If you want to click on this option, you will go to the back product base. And that's it. By doing that, you will learn how to upload product images, configure printing dimensions, and create both simple and variable products. With these tools, your WooCommerce store is ready to offer unique and customizable products. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.